Welcome to Wealth Wisdom. If you have ambitions to achieve financial success, please leave "yes" in the comment, and we are here to help you obtain insight and build wealth. If you're trying to boost your credit score quickly, like in the next 90 days, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to improve your credit score in just 3 months, step by step, with simple strategies that actually work, even if you're starting from a low score. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a bonus trick that helped me gain 40 points in just one billing cycle. Step 1. Know where you stand. Before you can improve your score, you need to understand it. Go to Credit Karma, annualcreditreport.com, or check your bank app. Many now offer free credit monitoring. Look for your current credit score, FICO or Vantage score. Derogatory marks like collections or late payments. Credit utilization, we'll talk more about this. Number of open accounts and inquiries. Knowing where your score is weak helps you target what to fix. Step 2. Lower your credit utilization. This is the fastest way to boost your score. Your credit utilization is how much you owe versus your total available credit. Example: if you have a $1,000 limit and owe $800, your utilization is 80%, that's bad. Try to keep it under 30%, ideally under 10%. Ways to lower it. Pay down balances immediately, even before the statement closes. Make multiple payments per month. Ask for a credit limit increase, but only if you won't use the extra credit. Even a small drop in utilization can lead to a noticeable score boost. Step 3. Pay on time, every time. This is obvious, but it's also the biggest factor in your credit score, about 35%. Set reminders. Use autopay. Do whatever it takes to never miss a due date. Even being 1 day late can hurt your score for months. If you've missed payments in the past, contact your lender and ask for a goodwill adjustment. Sometimes they'll remove the late mark. Make consistent on-time payments moving forward. Time heals credit wounds. Step 4. Stop applying for new credit. Every time you apply for a credit card or loan, a hard inquiry is added to your report, which can temporarily lower your score by 5 to 10 points. In the next 3 months, don't apply for anything unless absolutely necessary. Focus on improving existing accounts. If you want to shop for a loan, try to do it within a 14-day window, so it's treated as one inquiry. Step 5. Dispute errors on your report. Studies show 1 in 5 people have mistakes on their credit reports. Check for incorrect late payments, accounts that aren't yours, paid off debts still showing as active. You can file disputes directly with the credit bureaus Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. They usually respond within 30 days. Removing one error can give you a major score jump. Step 6. Become an authorized user. Ask a parent, sibling, or close friend with a good credit history. Low utilization. No missed payments. If they add you as an authorized user to their credit card, their positive history shows up on your report, instantly improving your credit. Just make sure the account is old. The person manages it well. You don't actually use the card. Step 7. Keep old accounts open. Length of credit history matters. If you close old credit cards, your average age of accounts shrinks, and that can lower your score. Even if you're not using a card, keep it open. Use it once every few months and pay it off. This keeps your credit history long and your utilization low. Bonus tip: the 15-day hack. Here's what worked for me. Pay half your balance 15 days before your due date. Then pay the other half 3 days before the due date. This makes your utilization look super low when your statement closes, and that's what the credit bureaus see. Try this for 1 to 2 months and watch your score rise. Final thoughts and motivation. Improving your credit score isn't magic, it's a matter of consistency and strategy. If you stick to these steps for 90 days, you could see a 50 to 100 point increase depending on your starting point. Quick recap. Know your score. Lower your utilization. Pay everything on time. Don't apply for new credit. Fix errors. Leverage authorized users. Keep old accounts open. Bonus: the 15-day trick. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your current credit score goal, and where are you starting from? And remember, building great credit is one of the smartest things you can do for your future self. See you in the next video.